How to create a Walmart account. To create a Walmart account, you need to follow the steps. First thing first, open your app or any app that you're using, your respective app store. On the search bar, you want to type in Walmart on the search bar and install the app. Once the application, so you want to go ahead and install Walmart, click that out. And once your application is installed, click on the open button. I'm going to use the browser version of it, so the procedure will remain the same either way. Then click on the first link that appears right at the top. Now here what you need is simply want to tap on the menu bar at the top right, click on sign in or create account. So basically to create an account you want to type in your phone number or an email address and click the continue button. Next field you will then be asked to give your first name, last name, phone number and then create a password as well. And click the continue button. Moving on, you will then be taken to the next field where you need to go ahead and make sure to mark on the terms and conditions, all that stuff. And you can go ahead and add in your address, all of that, add in your billing address and all, and you'll have successfully created a Walmart account, and then you could go ahead and explore your account. So this way you'll be able to create a Walmart account. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.